Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Russia to showcase its second stealth fighter Su-75 checkmate at Aero India 2025. In a significant move, Russia has confirmed that it will showcase the Su-57E, the export variant of its 5th generation stealth fighter, at Aero India 2025. The aircraft will not only be displayed but will also participate in aerial demonstrations, offering a glimpse into its advanced capabilities. Additionally, sources have revealed that Russia also plans to exhibit the Su-75 Checkmate, its single-engine stealth fighter currently under development. Unlike the Su-57E, the Checkmate will be presented as a static non-flying prototype, highlighting its design and features for potential customers. Next, Vikramaditya to be replaced by IAC-2. In a significant strategic pivot, the Indian Navy has decided to abandon its plan for a third aircraft carrier, opting instead to focus on the development of the second indigenous aircraft carrier as a replacement for the aging INS Vikramaditya. This decision recalibrates the Navy's operational structure to maintain 2 aircraft carriers, a move that has sparked discussions on India's naval capabilities and strategic priorities. The government has overruled the Navy's long-standing argument for operating 3 aircraft carriers simultaneously, which was seen as crucial for ensuring continuous carrier presence in both the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, even when one carrier is under maintenance. Next, showcasing upgraded IJT-36 Sitara New Star. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is set to make waves at Aero India 2025 by presenting the revamped intermediate jet trainers 36 Sitara Neo Star, which has undergone significant upgrades, particularly in its avionics suites. According to the client, the aircraft will not only be displayed with an eye-catching new color scheme but also feature cutting-edge technology to meet modern training requirements. The Sitara New Star has been fitted with the latest avionics, ensuring that it keeps pace with current technological advancement in aviation training. This upgrade includes advanced navigation system, digital flight controls, and enhanced communication capabilities, all aimed at providing a more realistic combat training experience. Next, GA replaces crashed MQ-9B Sea Guardian drone in India. In a swift response to an operational mishap, U.S. defense firm General Atomics has replaced the MQ-9B Sea Guardian remotely piloted aircraft that crashed into the Bay of Bengal on September 18th. The incident was attributed to a power failure, leading to the drone being declared unsalvageable and written off. A technical glitch involving a power failure was the reason behind the controlled ditching of the drone, preventing any reset in flight. The drone, while on a routine surveillance mission, was safely maneuvered to a designated spot over the sea off the coast of Chennai before it was intentionally ditched. Next, Chinese drone CHYH-1000 being mocked by Indian netizens. The online community in India has found a new source of amusement on X, where users are humorously dubbing the Chinese CHYH-1000 unmanned transport aircraft as the fat potato due to its bulky appearance. This playful mockery comes in the wake of the drone's recent successful tackling test, signaling its potential to take to the skies, an event that has sparked a wave of memes, witty comments, and satirical posts among Indian users. The CHYH-1000, developed by Aerospace CH UAV Company Limited, completed a full load taxiing test at Zhangzhou Airport, indicating significant progress towards its maiden flight. However, its unique, somewhat ungainly design has not escaped the sharp wit of the Indian netizens. Next, Saab's Gripen E will be the fastest delivery to the IAF. As the IAF looks closely at the full package of choices available for its MRFA acquisition program, Saab's Gripen offer is a complete package of capabilities to defeat the most advanced threats in a modern battle space while ensuring future operational relevance. According to Kent Ake-Mollin, ahead of the Gripen India campaign, Gripen's exceptional capabilities align seamlessly with India's defense needs, offering advanced weapon, cutting-edge sensors, countermeasure systems, and pilot-friendly human-machine collaboration. Next, India's defense exports soar. In a remarkable testament to India's growing prowess in defense manufacturing and export, the fiscal year 2023-24 has seen the United States, France, and Armenia emerge as the top 3 destinations for Indian military hardware. This development marks a significant milestone in India's journey towards self-reliance in defense and showcases the country's expanding influence in the global defense market. India's defense export hit an all-time high, reaching 21,083 crores, somewhere around $2.6 billion for the fiscal year 2023-24. This figure represents a substantial increase from previous years, underlining the success of initiatives like Made in India and Atmanirbhar self-reliance, which have been pivotal in boosting domestic production and export capabilities. Next, Fly Jinnah to operate Dhaka-Karachi flight soon via India. Karachi-based airline Fly Jinnah is set to operate Dhaka-Karachi flight soon, Bangladeshi government officials said on Monday, after the launch of a direct shipping line between Chittagong in Bangladesh and Karachi in Pakistan. A direct air link between the two countries will be launched soon, they said. Civil Aviation Authority of Bangladesh has approved a proposal of Fly Jinnah to operate direct flights between Bangladesh and Pakistan, said Abdul Nasir Khan, Additional Secretary to Bangladesh Ministry of Civil Aviation and Tourism. Thank you.